Hello guys, good afternoon and happy Thursday to everyone. And finally, it's weekend in Dubai. So tomorrow again, Friday, we're gonna go to where?
Beach.
Yes.
Because,
She's always looking forward on Fridays because she wanted to go to the beach. Maybe by tomorrow we will go to another place. But let's see what time we'll get up in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah, because in my last time,
Yes.
we pick up late.
Yes. So normally on Fridays we get up like 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. So let's see tomorrow, maybe we'll get up early, then accordingly we can plan what time we have to leave from the house. So anyway, today I'm gonna show you my version of calamari. So I have here a squid.
A squid. So
I have a squid here. I'll show you. Actually, we went to supermarket yesterday, and I have this is a fresh one. This is not frozen, guys. This is fresh, and this is about 750 grams. And I paid for this 26 dirhams and 25 fils.
Like not dirhams.
So because per kg is 35. So anyway, let me clean and cut my squid, and I'll come back to you.
And circle.
And now, this is already clean and cut, as you can see, in a round circle. Okay, so for this, I'm just gonna put salt, lime, and liquid seasoning. That's it for my marination. So now Isabella is putting the liquid seasoning. I'm gonna put it. It's difficult for her. Just about 1 teaspoon is enough. Actually, it's finished now.
Salt.
And salt. Put 1 teaspoon as well. The salt.
Hey.
I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon.
Hey, I want
Like 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And a lemon. Lemon Bella will do it.
Because it's easy. And last time I did lemon juice, it was all fine.
Yes. You can do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are finished.
Yeah. Squeeze it. Aye.
Juice over there. That's where it's coming, not over there.
So now Isabella will give a good mix. Stir. You can stir. Isabella will give a good stir.
Yes, do not stir.
Stir. Just a little.
Okay, I know. I got it.
So now this is ready.
So now
And
this
we
is
just
ready.
have to sit aside this for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
So we should have to
Put your
marinate
legs
for 30 minutes. Guys, so now it has been marinated for actually 1 hour because I've gone to take a shower and all. So now it's been sitting for 1 hour. So it's time for us to cook this. And for my breading mix, I'm gonna make a homemade one. So for this breading mix, we will be needing the following. We will be needing some of the all-purpose flour. I have here rice flour. I have the organic one, but whatever you have, that is fine. And we're gonna mix also some spoon of cornstarch, and then onion powder, garlic powder, and mixed herbs. This was an optional. If you don't have, then that's fine, just leave it. And we need salt to taste, and an egg. Okay, so now we just have to combine all the dried ingredients in one bowl, mix it well, and then we have to crack our egg in a separate bowl. Then we put salt in it, and then we have to dump our squid pieces in the eggs mixture, and then after that go to the powder mixture. So now please keep on watching. Here we have a bowl. In here we're gonna put 1
tablespoon
of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour.
all-purpose flour.
And Bella will give a good mix. And 2 tablespoons of rice flour.
Rice flour.
Sorry.
It's okay. I think that's my
Okay.
hair.
And now we have to put our garlic. Garlic powder, it's about 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
I like garlic, so I don't mind putting a little more.
You like garlic?
Yeah.
So Mama likes garlic.
And we're gonna put onion powder. It's like about 2 teaspoons as well.
2 teaspoons.
And our herbs. Herbs, I just have to estimate, guys. So I'm putting that much, like about 2 teaspoons as well. Then salt.
Oh, I know this food. I remember.
Yes. And for the salt, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
1 and a
It's
half.
not good.
1 and a half.
Because
No,
it's not
one
good.
teaspoon is enough.
It's not good.
Because I have marinated my squid, and for my egg also I'm gonna add some salt as well.
Mama, you remember?
In a separate bowl, we need to crack our egg. And just give a good stir. And put salt, like 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon.
Yes, and just give a good stir.
Then put.
So now we have to start dipping it. So we just have to do like this.
I don't.
Yeah, sure, you can do. And dip in the flour.
Okay.
Yeah, dip it, just
Yeah.
dip it.
I'm scared. But I never eat this one before.
So, just remove your hand, please. So you just have to do like this.
Can I do it? No.
So this one, this is perfect. So just have, then I have a plate here. You just have to put here until you finish everything. Then you can fry all together. So the same process for the rest squid.
I did it.
So now guys, we have finished coating our squid. Now it is ready to go. We have to cook it now.
Cook it now.
So now first we have to heat it up our pan, and we're gonna pour our cooking oil. And now our oil is heated up. We have to dump our calamari inside. And now let's just let it cook, and make sure not to overcook our squid. Otherwise, it's becoming, this is perfect. We have to remove it now. So this is how looking pretty, isn't it? Very beautiful. So we've done with our squid calamari. See how pretty it is. So nice looking.